Okay, we are about to be out of town for a week, so I just wanted to film another little one-take garden walkthrough just to remember and also note what changes in a week. I have these two, like I said in the last video, I think, I finally got the matching containers. These are gonna go, ignore the mess. Over there framing that couch, I got another 2-gallon Baby Gem boxwood that I'm also gonna, it will match. Anyway, I have these Platinum Beauty Lamandras. I was gonna put them on the front porch, but when I was sitting out here, I just loved it on the table, so it might end up staying. We'll see. These, you can't really see, are still looking really good. There's a lot of new growth on them. Don't know if you can really tell, but my seeds. This is, the chives are doing the best. The chives and the dill, of course. There's a little bit of lavender coming up. Like, look at the dill. These little lavenders are still doing okay. And then more chives. And then this is lavender and basil. So we're seeing a little bit of green. Come down here. I can't remember. I can't remember if the agapanthus were in. I think they were. They're looking really good. I've seen so many butterflies and pollinators on them. Like, it's just so cute. And I have a few different varieties. The roses are looking really good. The lighting's a bit weird. It's like 4 in the afternoon. But I fertilized the roses. They're doing good. These have come back. These 3 weren't even this big last year, but I pruned, fertilized, did the whole 9 yards, and they are like bigger and better than ever. So super happy about that. Oh, my crepe myrtles have shown signs of life. I don't know if you can see, but I was seriously actually kind of worried. I was like, can you kill the crepe myrtle? Anyway, I didn't though. Signs of life. Good news. Here are these flower seeds, much bigger than the last time. It's just been a week, but they're really starting to do some stuff. Like, that's very exciting. My Angiostar, these bare boxwoods have been putting on so much new growth, and it's like all of my boxwoods, like all my better boxwoods, have just put on probably like 2 to 3 inches, if I could say. So that's very exciting. So my other boxwoods. What else? There's just so much going on. Oh, I can't remember. I think this is Tapestry. If you can see, but the flowers on this thing are going absolutely insane. And like the new little leaves, like all this is new. Like so many flowers. Very excited about that. I have the 5 container planted butterfly candy. Very pumped about those. These, I'm sad. I think I'm gonna miss some of the blooms. These 2, this is a little grape, yeah. These 2 blooms are about to come out. I'm sad. I think I'm gonna miss them, but I'm sure there will be plenty more. These are a few of my other seeds. Doing pretty good. What else? Oh, this is my Rose Creek Abelia from Plants by Meal. All of this is new growth. It looks really good. I'm very happy with it. My goal was sort of that like plants would sort of spill over into the grass, so that's definitely what's happening there. Very happy with it. Miss Lemon Abelia. She's just a stunner, truthfully. I'm so obsessed with her. This one's like perfect. Like, she has no flaws. What else? My Emerald Snow. Laura Petalum is blooming. I just look, she's gonna open up all of these. I hope she waits until we're back. We're gonna be gone all next week. I don't know if I said that, but my butterfly candies. This is just like a new development, truthfully, in the last like week. It has put on all of this new green. They all have, so that's very exciting. Oh, the hydrangeas. Oops. Very happy about this. This is definitely the one that's leafed out the most, I would have to say. but there's 5 of them. They're all showing signs of life, so exciting. Oh, interesting development is I think our camellia is going to bloom. I think that's a bit late, but what variety is this? This is Taylor's Perfection. I got it from Plants by Mail, but look, it's very pretty. I just think she's a little late to the show, but Dallas weather is so weird. Like, I was looking back at photos and my Encore azaleas were still in full bloom on December 9th. So, yeah. Our blueberries are looking fantastic. Like, I'm so happy with them. I need to do some weed control if you can't tell, but like, even just this one in the past like week has all these leaves are new and shot out, so that's great news. This boxwood, Babylon Beauty, again, they've all just grown like 2 to 3 inches each, like just in the last week, so that's very exciting. Again, another week in Mountain Snow Pieris is still probably wins the award for best plant in the yard right now. I want like 6 more. I know I said this last week. If you watched it, you're probably having deja vu, but they are just like the prettiest flowers, and it's so sturdy. Oh, and she has got all this new growth. Can you see it? So that's exciting. I got some really cute pictures of that. Yeah. Maybe I honestly might get a few more of these and do like 3 of them because I just love it so much. Oh, and our tree finally is showing leaves. Thank God. I was like a little worried because the backyard just looks so much better when the tree has leaves, truthfully. These 3 are Little Bonnie Dwarf Spirea. I've never really had a plant like that, so I actually have no idea what it's going to look like once it comes together, but I've seen pictures of it. Very excited. So yeah, this is an It's a Breeze rose. I'm so happy I got that. I fertilized that one too. She's coming back. This is a Chinese Snowball Viburnum, and she is showing signs of life, so that's very exciting. Happy for her. This Yellow Banks Lady Rose, all of this is new. I'm so happy about it. Oh, here's this Stellar Ruby Magnolia. She has probably already grown like 6 inches if I had to guess. Like, and all of this is new. All of these, like, you can just see all the leaves that are coming up. Anyway, very happy with that. Here's the Wisteria. Oh, good. You can see, but that's very exciting. We planted this in like October and I completely forgot about it, so this is very exciting that it has some new growth. Okay, now I'll show you another week, same crabgrass issue. I'll show you our Encore azalea situation because it's very exciting. Autumn Princess, she is putting out new green. I love this one. This was one of the ones that was blooming until like December 9th. All of them have buds, which is really good. But this is Autumn Amethyst. She is in full show. And all of this, you can see this new growth. Like, I'm very obsessed with it. Anyways, I remember this plant last year. I had it container planted. Probably bloomed the entire year. Like, I'm not being dramatic. It started in March and then it was blooming until December. So, very happy about that. I honestly might just get more of these because just look at them. Like, they're gorgeous. Like, she has so many blooms. Like, this might be the best bloomer that I have. And then she's also putting on all these new green leaves. So that's very exciting. Anyway. This and Mountain Snow Pieris win show of the week. Maybe show of the month. It's just so pretty. Anyways, so yeah. We redid the front yard. There's my little My office window is open, so it's like so peaceful. I just listen to this. Anyways, this is kind of a shorter one, but I just wanted to film this and get it up before we go out of town. This seems to be putting on some new growth too. This is one of the Suntastic Abelias, and that's another butterfly candy. You can see it's like coming up from the bottom. But anyway, I just wanted to film this and get it up before we go out of town. That way I can document it and then I can look back. I'm sort of treating this like a virtual garden journal, if you will. I don't love writing things down. I forget, I lose it. But this way I can watch it back next year and be like, what was blooming when? So yeah, very exciting. Okay, bye.